wonderful English learners. Welcome back to Beyond Words. I am Jessica, your English friend, and I am so excited to be with you today for our podcast.
Hello and welcome to Beyond Words, the podcast for learners who want to use English with more confidence in real-life situations. My name is Jessica, and I'm here to help you understand and speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow me easily and repeat after me if you want. In today's episode, we are going to talk about something very meaningful. It is not about grammar rules. It is not about memorizing words. It is about real change. It is about new opportunities. Today, we are talking about how learning English changed my life forever. Learning English is more than a subject. It is a key. It opens doors you never knew existed. At the beginning, everything feels small. You live in your own world. You talk only with people you already know. You watch videos with subtitles. You dream about bigger things, a better job, travel, new friends, but you think those dreams are not for you. But when you start learning English, everything begins to change. Slowly at first, then faster and faster. Let me share how it happened for me and for many of my students. Before I focused on English, my life was very limited. I stayed in the same place. I was shy to meet new people. I could not apply for good jobs because most companies asked for English. I felt stuck. Then I decided to learn. I started small, just 10 minutes a day. I listened to simple podcasts. I repeated sentences. I wrote messages to myself. At first, it was difficult. I forgot words. My pronunciation was not clear. I felt embarrassed when I tried to speak. But I kept going, and the doors started to open. The first door was confidence. After a few months, I could introduce myself clearly. I could answer simple questions. I smiled more when I talked. People noticed the change in me. I felt proud of myself for the first time. The second door was friendship. I joined an online language exchange. I met people from different countries. We talked about food, music, daily life. Now I have friends in Brazil, Japan, and Germany. We still chat in English every week. My world became so much bigger. The third door was career. Because of English, I could apply for better positions. I had a real interview in English. I was nervous, but I used simple sentences. I talked about my experience. I got the job. My salary improved. I could help my family more. Every day at work, I use English to help customers and feel useful. The fourth door was travel. Last year, I traveled alone for the first time. I used English at the airport, in hotels, and in restaurants. I asked for directions. I made small talk with local people. I felt free and independent. Without English, I would never have had that courage. These changes did not happen in one day. They happened because I continued, even when it was hard, even when I wanted to quit. Many learners ask me, how did English open so many doors for me? The answer is simple. English connects you to the world. It gives you a voice. It gives you choices. Now I want to give you 3 powerful ideas that helped me and can help you too. Let's practice them together. Idea number 1. See English as a key, not a test. Don't study only for exams. Study to open doors. When you learn a new sentence, think, this sentence can help me make a new friend, or this sentence can help me get a job. Let's practice this mindset. Repeat after me. English opens doors for me. Repeat. English opens doors for me. Good. Now say, every word I learn is a new opportunity. Repeat, every word I learn is a new opportunity. Excellent. Idea number 2. Celebrate every small change. Don't wait to be perfect. Notice when you understand a little more. Notice when you speak one sentence without stopping. These small wins build big success. Let's practice positive thinking. Say with me, I am already changing my life. Repeat, I am already changing my life. Good. And another one, small steps lead to big doors. Repeat, small steps lead to big doors. Very good. Idea number 3. Share your English with others. Don't keep it only for yourself. Talk to someone, even if it is short. Write a comment. Send a voice message. When you use English in real life, the changes become real and permanent. Repeat after me. I use English in my real life. Repeat, I use English in my real life. I am brave enough to try. Repeat, I am brave enough to try. Now, let's talk about the future. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine, 1 year from today, your English is much stronger. You speak with more confidence. You understand movies without subtitles. You travel to a new place and make friends easily. You get a better job or opportunity. You feel proud when you look back. That future is waiting for you, but you must keep going today. Just one more lesson, one more conversation, one more try. The voice in your head may still say, it's too late, or you are not good enough. Ignore that voice. Replace it with a new one. I am opening doors every day. Let's finish with some strong affirmations. Say them clearly and with feeling. I am capable of great things. Repeat, I am capable of great things. My English is improving every day. Repeat, my English is improving every day. I deserve new opportunities. Repeat, I deserve new opportunities. I am proud of how far I have come. Repeat, I am proud of how far I have come. Wonderful. Remember, learning English is not just about language. It is about becoming a new version of yourself, a braver, more connected, more confident version. Thank you for listening to Beyond Words. Thank you for believing in yourself. I am Jessica, and I am so proud of you for showing up today. Keep learning, keep opening doors, and be kind to yourself on this journey. See you in the next episode.